creating your very own tool chest in Notion. Welcome back! Let's pick up where we left off yesterday and use that fantastic synced block to create a true tool chest and put some of our favorite tools inside it. Let's first rename the page from yesterday to Synced Block Mania. I mean, we didn't really create the tool chest, but we're gonna do that today, so don't worry. We'll create a new page and we'll pick this fantastic image to signify our tool chest. In the tool chest we put 3 tools, tool 1, tool 2 and tool 3. And since we put this inside a synced block, we can click the copy and sync button and we can paste it, and that will give us a synced copy of all our tools. So these tools we now have access to, which is great, but I mean for now they are only text, which is not so great. If we look back to last week, we learned everything about templates and template buttons, and template buttons is actually the main thing we're going to use in our tool chest in different ways. So let's pick up our Dinosaur button. That was a great one, and one we really can use on almost every page we create. So we'll put that Dinosaur button inside our synced block, and whenever we click it we get a new dinosaur, and we can drag that out to the page. We then duplicate the dinosaur button and we change it a little bit so it adds cats instead of dinosaurs. And that's great, of course. Now we can add both dinosaurs and cats. But the interesting thing is that if we go back to the main page of the synced block, the master, you can see that the cat we added to the child page actually got added to the main page or the master page as well, which is not great. So we're going to go to the child page. We're going to click unlink, which means that the synced block is no more on the child page. It still exists in the master page. And then when we create dinosaurs and cats in the child page, they will not be added to the main page, but they will stay in the child page, meaning that we have our generator buttons from our tool chest, but the tool chest itself is kept untouched. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Maybe you gave some thought since yesterday to if you want to subscribe or not. I mean, don't worry, come back tomorrow and make a decision then. Until then, have a nice day and see you tomorrow.